Hello everyone, welcome to GigaBit. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve any problems you might be having with the NVIDIA app in a very easy and, above all, very fast way. In this case, this error appears when the NVIDIA app cannot start, update, or communicate with our computer's drivers. What are we going to have to do? The first and most important thing is to simply go to our devices menu, shut it down, or simply restart it without any problem. That's the first thing we should do. So we just close the NVIDIA app. For example, I have it open. We close it completely, restart our computer, and try to open it again. Logically, this is after having restarted our computer, so you should keep that in mind as the first step. The next thing we'll keep in mind to solve this little problem, or not so little depending on how you see it, is to go to the NVIDIA app, which is this one right here. We go to the drivers section, and once in drivers, what we'll have to do is find out if our drivers are completely up to date. We'll just click on check for updates, and we'll have to wait until it shows up. In my case, I already have the drivers fully updated, so I won't have this problem. As you can see, I have it installed. It won't ask me to install it. But if we have outdated drivers, all we're going to have to do is click Install, either automatically or manually, whichever is easier for you. So as you can see, it's something really simple. We can also do it by downloading the latest driver from the official NVIDIA website. We can do this as follows. We type NVIDIA driver on our computer. In my case, since I have the language in Spanish, you'll see it in Spanish, but You'll see it in English right now, rather. Let's put United States English, and you'll simply go to the Drivers section. Here, you'll be able to do a manual driver selection. For that, you'll have to select the product you have and simply click Search, and you'll be able to install it without any trouble. You can also do the following. You can repair the NVIDIA app. NVIDIA allows you to repair the app directly. To do this, you'll have to go to Windows Settings, then Apps, look for NVIDIA, and click on Modify and enter the Repair section without any issue. What other trick can we use? We can delete the NVIDIA app cache folder. This is also somewhat simple, quote-unquote. All we have to do is press our computer keys, or, well, the keyboard, and type Windows+R. This execution panel that you see here will open up, and what we'll have to do is type the following. We type %local app data% and close with a percentage sign, and we'll click Accept. This new folder will open, in which all we'll have to do is look for the NVIDIA Corporation app folder. This might take a little time, but generally you'll always find it around here. We'll go to the folder, and we'll have to go to the NVIDIA Corporation folder. We'll simply have to delete this folder here, the NVIDIA one. And this will not affect the drivers we already have installed at all, so don't worry if you do it. We can reinstall the application. In a very simple way, we go to the search bar, type NVIDIA, click on Uninstalls, and it will send us to the Windows uninstaller. We uninstall the application, go back to our pasta page or default browser, type NVIDIA app, and once in NVIDIA app, we'll simply click Download. We'll download the application, and it downloads again in a very simple way. As you can see, nothing out of the ordinary. You should also keep in mind that many times antivirus or firewalls can cause trouble. For this, you'll have to deactivate them temporarily. Deactivate your antivirus, the Windows firewall, and then try to open the NVIDIA app again. We verify the NVIDIA services. For this, what we'll have to do is press Windows+R, and we're going to type services.msc. We'll press Enter, and all the services will open up here. It would simply be a matter of looking for the NVIDIA services, NVIDIA Display Container LS, NVIDIA Local System Container, and NVIDIA Container. In this way, what we'll have to do is set those services to automatic. Well, I'm not going to find them right now, but you can find them with a little more patience. We must make sure that our Windows is completely updated. To do this, we'll have to go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. If we have a pending update, it also usually appears in this Shut Down and Restart section in order to have the latest system within our application. The quickest solution I can give you in this case would be to do the following. Delete the NVIDIA cache, reinstall the NVIDIA driver, reinstall the NVIDIA app, and restart the PC. In 90% of cases, this will work without any problem. As you can see, it's something really simple. If you want more videos, subscribe to GigaBit.